Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday. A severe thunderstorm is issued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County. Environment Canada has issued squall watch for Lake St. Clair, southern Lake Huron, and western Lake Erie at 4:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, May 27th, 2000.
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte d'orage violent pour sud de l'Ontario à 16h10, heure avancée de l'Est, le mardi 27 mai 2014. Une alerte d'orage violent est émise pour Windsor, Leamington, comté d'Essex. Environnement Canada